Hi and welcome to this presentation on the STM32 open ventilator. It's a design centered around 3 servos pressing on the ambu, and the servos are controlled by the STM32F407 microcontroller placed on a disco board. There is a shield added to it with a graphic LCD. Allows you to plot different parameters in real time. So for example, right now we can see the pressure is being plotted, and you can see me changing it with my hand. There is a menu on it, so you can change the mode, you can change the number of cycles per minute, and the volume. The algorithms still need to be worked on, but everything is open source, so you can download it and you can adjust everything to your own servo strength, for example, or you can put different sensors if you like. The system is equipped with 2 pressure sensors, and the airflow is measured by calculating the pressure difference between the 2 sensors. But again, everything is open, so you can change the design and interact with more advanced sensors. The PEEP pressure is provided by keeping the pressure inside the exhaust tube here. And well, right now it's pretty rudimentary, but I just have a glass of water that creates a positive pressure on it. Anyways, this can be changed with some kind of pressure controlled valve. And yep, the controller is connected to the serial that provides data back to the computer. And this is the power. The USB is for programming only. In the next versions we'll be able to remove that one. So yep, that's pretty much where we're at. Thanks for watching.